Now it's red, so it's filming, which is what we want. Alright, now, you can tell the direction by, see the red light?
Yep.
Red is front, look right here, green is back. So you can tell which way it's going, because when it's in the sky, you cannot. Alright, that's the throttle, and that, if you push it up, it noses it down and makes it go this way, and if you pull it back, it makes it go in reverse. That makes it lean one way, this makes it lean the other.
So like this goes up in the sky.
Well, this is the speed of the blades, and this is, if you push it up, it tilts it down and makes it move, and if you keep it in the middle, it's just going to hover.
Okay.
And if you pull it back, it's going to make it fly backwards. So don't get it, but don't get it taller than about halfway up that tree. You want Daddy to fly and you want? Son, that hurts.
Yeah, I didn't mean to. My bad.
Think about what you're doing.